Now, before I get accosted by the vegan police. Okay, I just want to make sure Beyond Chicken is not fried in the same oil as the regular chicken, right?
Only with the fries.
Only with the fries.
Yes.
So the oil that fries the Beyond Chicken is just French fries and Beyond Chicken.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That's right, I asked 3 different employees at 3 different times, and they all confirmed that the new Beyond Chicken is fried with the French fries and not with the actual meat chicken. Now, this is for this particular location. I can't say that for all the locations. My best advice to you is to call ahead and ask over the phone. So, are we finally clear now?
Aren't you understanding?
Alright, so I'm super excited to dig into this. It's literally been 16 years since I've been to KFC.
But if you're vegan, why are you fat?
We love bouquet.
First up, we have this neat little package, and oh gosh, that smells like my childhood. Check it out. It comes with this, so it comes with this Beyond Fried Chicken sticker, so you know that the version you have is the vegan version. All right, so we're just gonna gently slip this open. It's like a little origami project here, and whoa, check it out, guys. This is how it comes. So you get the nuggets are in here as well, and then you've got the fries that come with the combo meal. Of course, that was with the drink as well. So here is the nugget here. Yeah, I mean, it smells like KFC down the hatch. Okay, so to be 100% honest, it doesn't really taste like what I remember it to taste like. Now, of course, 16 years later, it's hard to remember that exact flavor profile of the 11 secret herbs and spices, but it's really tasty. It's very flavorful, it's kind of salty. Let's grab another piece over here. As far as the chicken texture, it's like tough and chewy, and it's definitely one of the better vegan chickens I've ever had. It does have really nice fibering, really nice layering. I mean, let's take a look at the tear. See if I can bring it over to you guys. Let's look at the tear. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, you've got fibers. Okay, so here we have a close-up. You can see it's very fibrous and flaky. Here's a good example here. So this is what's kind of interesting. It does break apart like real chicken fibers. Yeah, that's very impressive right there. It does have a nice, very satisfying bite. I think it's really cool how this chicken just kind of shreds and all the different layers and fibers in here. Yeah, so it's definitely got a great texture, but it's just like, it's a little dry and it's lacking that, I don't know, that signature fatty chicken flavor. But for sure the texture is better than that like ground up pink slime mystery meat texture that you get in a lot of the vegan nuggets that we have in the market today. So it's a big improvement on the fake chicken front. And you know what? Speaking of chicken nuggets, I'm honestly really bummed that it's just like a giant chicken nugget. I'm not expecting like a thigh or a breast or a drumstick or something, but like it's square-ish and bite-sized like a chicken nugget. It's just not so satisfying because it's just so flat. I really want to like sink my teeth into a nice piece of, you know, faux chicken, but it's kind of like a little flat nugget, which is not what I was expecting. Alright, so the chicken flavor is lacking. It's a little dry, but let's see if we can try it with the sauce. Summertime barbecue sauce. So let's give that a try. Oh, that's tangy. Yeah, I'll mess with this barbecue sauce. So just a disclaimer, the only 2 sauces that you can get that are vegan from KFC is the summertime barbecue sauce and also their sweet and tangy sauce. Now the location I went to in Canyon Country didn't have the sweet and tangy sauce, but we can still get a little creative and let's see what I've got in the fridge. So we've got Frank's Red Hot Wing Sauce. We've got Samyang's vegetarian and vegan extra spicy bulldog seasoning. And of course, we've got Nando's Peri Peri sauce. This is garlic. Let's see how they fare with these sauces. Okay, I can see why peri chicken is pretty popular. That's really nice. It's kind of tangy and garlicky. This Samyang sauce is one of my favorites. If you didn't know, it is vegan. It's very spicy, but you can get it on Amazon, and it's just one of my favorite things ever. Oh my god. Instant Korean fried chicken. And of course, Frank's Red Hot Wing Sauce. That's like a classic. Okay, I think the clear winner is definitely the Samyang bulldog sauce. Okay, so final thoughts. I was satisfied with this meal. I'm just pretty bummed out about the pricing. A 6-piece combo is $7.99. And that's for 6 pieces, a side of fries, and I guess a medium drink. Without the fries and the drink, it's $6.99. 12-piece combo is $14.99. Without the extra stuff, it's $13.99 for 12 nuggets, which is like a little over $1 a nugget. What is that? Like $1.20 a nugget. Honestly, that's a little steep for me. You can really just get a whole bag of Morningstar nuggets for $3.50. It's definitely not the same premium experience. I'm just saying. I don't know, I like me a Morningstar nugget. I just wish it was cheaper, or I guess not cheaper, but I wish it was more affordable. So this is definitely gonna be like a treat. All right, well, with all that said and done, I would give KFC's new Beyond Chicken a solid 8 out of 10. It was tasty, it had great texture, it smells great, it's convenient. So guys, if you like this review, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe for more fun fast food taste tests on this channel. And also, if you get a chance, check out my other reviews for Carl's Jr.'s Beyond Burger and Del Taco's Beyond Tacos, which I think did a much better job of hitting the mark than maybe this Beyond Chicken did. Thanks for watching. Sauce Stash, if you're listening, please use your wizarding powers to recreate this KFC Beyond Chicken in your little kitchen laboratory, because we need you. Help us, Sauce Stash. You're our only hope.